Can you count to 10?
1, 2, 3, 2.
Sailor, that's not counting to 10. Can you look at Mommy? Sailor, when is your birthday? Oh, say that again. Your voice cracked. When's your birthday? When is your birthday? Oh, well, but when is your birthday? October 20. And what kind of party are we going to have? Cinderella? And Mickey Mouse? You think you want to have 2 parties? How old are you going to be? How old are you going to be? You're going to be 2. What are you watching? Elmo Potty Time? Are you on Elmo.com? Are you working the keyboard? Uh-oh, we gotta push play. Alright, wait. Don't push anything. Is this Elmo Potty?
Oh, Elmo just went to the bathroom. Yeah, Elmo's ready to play with you. When you get the feeling that you have